In this lecture, we will see methods of preparation of halogen derivatives from halogen exchange method. We know the meaning of exchange means atoms or ions get exchanged with each other. Halogen exchange method. There are two types of halogen exchange methods. One will be Finkelstein reaction. In this Finkelstein reaction, alkyl iodides are prepared. Second type is Schwarz reaction, in which alkyl fluorides are prepared. First we will see Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. In Finkelstein reaction, alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides reacts with sodium iodide. Reacts with sodium iodide in presence of acetone or methanol as a solvent. Acetone or methanol as a solvent, and exchange of halogen takes place, and we get alkyl iodides plus NaCl, that is sodium chloride, or alkyl iodides plus sodium bromide. In this reaction, sodium chloride and sodium bromide we get in the form of precipitate. We can separate them by the filtration method, and our main product alkyl iodide is also obtained. So, in short, Finkelstein reaction is the reaction of obtaining alkyl iodide by halogen exchange method with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. After explaining this general reaction, we will see each example of each, both of these, and we will see what products we obtain. We will take C2H5Cl, that is ethyl chloride, plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone as the solvent. Ethyl chloride plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone as a solvent. I told you exchange of halogen atoms takes place, and we get C2H5I. Iodine will go with C2H5 plus NaCl we obtain in the form of precipitate. In another example, we will see alkyl bromide plus sodium iodide. For alkyl bromide, I will take C3H7Br plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone. We get exchange of halogen takes place. C3H7I plus NaBr. I told you in this reaction NaCl and NaBr, these byproducts we obtain in the form of precipitate. We can separate them from our main product by the filtration. So, in reaction of ethyl chloride with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, we get ethyl iodide plus sodium chloride. And in last example of propyl bromide plus sodium iodide in presence of acetone, we get propyl iodide plus sodium bromide. Second method of halogen exchange method is Schwarz reaction. Previous method was Finkelstein reaction. In that reaction, we obtained alkyl iodide with the help of halogen exchange method. In this reaction, we will obtain alkyl fluorides. What is the statement for this reaction? In this reaction, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide reacts with metal fluorides. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide reacts with metal fluorides like AgF, Ag2F2, AsF3, etc. And on halogen exchange, we get alkyl fluorides and corresponding byproduct. In this reaction, I have taken alkyl chloride plus AgF, that is silver fluoride. We get main product as alkyl fluoride plus silver chloride. Exchange of halogen has taken place. Another general reaction will be RBr, that is alkyl bromide plus AgF. On halogen exchange, what we will get? We get RF, that is alkyl fluoride plus AgBr in the form of precipitate. In this Schwarz reaction, we will take example of RCl plus AgF, C2H5 Cl plus AgF, means ethyl chloride plus silver fluoride gives on halogen exchange C2H5F, that is ethyl fluoride plus silver chloride in the form of precipitate. So we will revise it, students. Alkyl chloride plus silver fluoride gives alkyl fluoride plus silver chloride in the form of precipitate. Alkyl bromide plus silver fluoride gives alkyl fluoride plus silver bromide in the form of precipitate. We have taken one example. Ethyl chloride plus silver fluoride gives on halogen exchange, we get ethyl fluoride plus silver chloride as the product. Next method of preparation, particularly for aromatic alkyl halides or array halides, is electrophilic substitution. We have studied the meaning of electrophilic substitution in our previous standard. In this type, halogenation takes place. Halogenation of benzene and its derivatives. Halogenation of benzene and its derivatives in presence of suitable Lewis acid catalyst like iron chloride or anhydrous AlCl3, we get the desired product. Benzene and its derivatives. We can have benzene, we can have toluene, we can have nitrobenzene, we can have aniline, and electrophilic substitution of these compounds can be take place. We will see example of this type is toluene plus bromine. We have written in presence of suitable Lewis acid catalyst like iron chloride or anhydrous AlCl3. This example we have taken toluene is brominated. Toluene is brominated and suitable condition is iron and dark. In this reaction, iron as a catalyst and dark condition is used and we get two products. One will be bromine will displace hydrogen of ortho position, and in second case bromine will displace the hydrogen of para position. So we will get products. First, hydrogen at ortho position will get displaced. In second case, we will have displacement of hydrogen at para position. Names of these compounds: parent is toluene, bromine atom is present on 1, 2 second carbon as compared to this position on which CH3 is attached. Here bromine atom is present on carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 as compared to the carbon on which CH3 is attached. So name of these two products will be 2-bromo. On second carbon atom, bromine atom names of these compounds O-bromotoluene because bromine is attached to ortho position. Here bromine is attached to para position. Therefore, name of this compound in common nomenclature system it will be O-bromo